You ever wonder what's the process of buying a house, what you need to do and all that? We're gonna be talking about that right now. Hello guys, this is Manny with United Real Estate over here in Fort Myers, Florida area. This is the first time on my channel. Welcome. I put videos every week about buying, selling, renting here in the Fort Myers, Florida area. Now, let's begin. Are you about to take one of the most important steps of a lifetime, selecting your purchase of your new home? Follow my roadmap and checklist to home buyer success. Let us help you find your dream home today. Let's start. All right, guys, the first thing that you guys got to do is do the initial consultation with your, real estate agent. If you don't know how to hire one, I'm going to put a video over here in the description below so you guys could be able to understand and, know how to do it and what questions to ask them. So once you guys do that initial consultation, you're going to establish your home needs and wish list. If you want a pool, if you want, a big backyard, if you want acreage. So this is where you're going to establish that. You have to prioritize your needs and wants. That help us a lot to find out the best home for you. In that consultation, we're going to start giving you some market education and orientation about what the market is doing. And at the end, when everything's said and done, we sign the buyer's representation agreement with your realtor, and that agent is going to represent you. Once we have this consultation done, we're going to go over there and refer you to 3 lenders to get pre-approved. So our step number 2 would be get pre-approved. You're going to ask me, hey, Manny, but what should I get pre-approved? Can we go and see homes? Yeah, we could do it. The bad thing about that is what if you fall in love with this home and you're not pre-approved, and by the time you go and get pre-approved, somebody come in and purchase it. That's why we always encourage our clients that, hey, get pre-approved. We go and see homes. If you fall in love with one, hey, we could put an offer right there. So number 2, we're gonna get pre-approved for a loan. We're gonna obtain a pre-approval through your lender of choice, or we could recommend 3 lenders, like I told you earlier, that we have worked in the past, and we know that the process is gonna be smooth with them. Sometimes whenever you go to the internet and sign up with out-of-state loan officers, which there's nothing wrong with it, but sometimes it's a little bit difficult. They're not right there. They're usually work 9 to 5, and there's no support. You go to a local lender that your realtor recommended. At least he have a little bit more of a power to communicate with that lender if something came out wrong. Another thing too is if you're in the East Coast and you're working with a lending institution in the West Coast, guess what? You got to have that time difference that it might be an issue. When we do the pre-approval, we're going to have a formal commitment by the lender to extend credit to you. They're going to do a credit check to yourself. Lenders commit to a specific loan amount for you to start your home search and provide a pre-approval letter to submit with your offer. That being said, once you got that pre-approval, hey, if you fall in love with a house, you have that buying power and say, hey, I'm gonna go from there. I'm gonna put an offer on this home. If you ever need credit repair, it is necessary to work with a credit repair specialist who can be recommended by your realtor. I would say there's a lot of companies out there that they say that they repair credit, but your realtor should have somebody that they have worked before to recommend you. If that's the issue, delay the next step while credit repair and credit repair approval is on the way. Once again, if you don't have the credit and you're gonna go looking for homes, you're probably gonna be wasting your time because you won't be able to purchase a home right there. And then once again, we don't want you to fall in love with a property and then be able to won't be able to buy it. Continue to follow up with your realtor during this process. This process of credit repair, it might take a little bit of time. Once credit repair is complete, please call your realtor, move forward on your road to the home purchase. So step number 2, we're going to get pre-approved for a loan. All right, checklist number 3, start your home search. You can sign up on my website if you're looking for properties over here in the Southwest Florida at MannySellsFlorida.com. I'm going to put over here the little website so you'll be able to look into it. And remember, I'm in the Southwest Park area, Fort Myers, Cape Coral, and Lehigh Acres. When you start doing your home search, discuss your home needs and wish list with your realtor. Select properties that are, that you are interested in. View properties with your realtor. If you go to a new construction site, please take some business card from your realtor and tell your sales associate that you're working with a realtor. For more information how to buy a new construction, check my older video I'm going to put over here. Just remember, the sales associate at the new construction work for the builder. Make sure you don't leave your realtor out of that. If you're going to look at new construction, make sure you bring those business card and you let them know that you're working with somebody. You want that realtor to represent you. At the end of the day, we as realtors could be able to get you some good deals in new construction as well. And then, you could find the right property. Once you go search, you can find that right property for you based on your wants and needs. So checklist number 3, start your home search. All right, item number 4, make an offer on your new home. We did the home search. We go and see some homes. Once you do that with your realtor, you fall in love with one. Your realtor would advise you and prepare the offer for you, based on how much we could offer, what the market trend at that time. Your offer will be presented to the seller. Earnest money typically goes with the offer. Consider incorporating a home warranty such as home protection plan in your offer if you're buying an existing home, or what we call it a resale. That way, something come up, bad on the home, at least you have some kind of warranty. They're really affordable, $500 what I'm seeing over here in this market, and that help, something breaks and all that. Well, for some information of that, just give me a call. I got a couple of vendors that do home warranty. So checklist number 4 is make an offer on your home, and your realtor is going to help you with all that, put that all together and advise you what would be the best offer to offer on this on your home. Checklist number 4, we're gonna make an offer on your home. Hey, if all this information have been really good for you guys, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, and keep on watching. I got more to come. All right, guys, so once we make that offer on your home and all that, then we're gonna go into the checklist number 5, contract negotiation and acceptance. Offer acceptance by the seller, kind of offer. We're gonna start doing some negotiation about the terms and all that, and we'll do, you do that all through your realtor. Upon acceptance of all contract terms by the seller and by you, the contract will be executed. We're gonna accept this, we're gonna go with these terms, everybody's good, we accept the offer, it's executed, then you need to go over there and do the earnest money deposit through the title company. So checklist number 5, contract negotiation, acceptance. So we're gonna be over there doing the negotiations about your terms. So checklist number 5, contract negotiation and acceptance. All right, once the seller accepts the offer and we go into the contract, our checklist number 6 is gonna be inspect your home, your new home. Even though if it is a new construction, I would recommend you do a home inspection. Your realtor will assist you in coordinate home inspections you wish to conduct, such as termite, required by most lenders, structural and mechanical radon, lead-based paint. Only those apply a residential built prior to 1978. Survey, any other inspections that the agent recommend based on your property. So checklist number 6 is your home inspection. All right, guys, so once we have that inspection going into it, you still, now you're gonna obtain what they call the loan approval for your new home. In this process, the lender probably gonna start, asking you for W-2s, bank statements, some other stuff that they might want. Complete a mortgage application if not done previously. Your selected lender will order an appraisal on the house. They secure the underwriting approval that satisfies any conditions. loan is in process, and they are, you're already moving into that aspect of the transaction. So check number 7, obtain your loan approval for your new home. So check number 8, title work. Your realtor will contact the title company, give all the information necessary for them to do that title search. When the title search and examination will be completed, title company will issue a title insurance once everything's clear out. So checklist number 8, title work. All right, maybe a checklist number 9, maybe a check 9 would be renegotiate if it's necessary. Your realtor will guide you through any negotiation resulting of inspection, title, or appraisal results. So let's say, for example, if I don't know, you got a big crack on the pool, you can negotiate, tell the seller, hey, I want that fixed, or hey, I want the X amount of money for that, or hey, you say, hey, I'll take as it is. Appraisal result, let's say, for example, they're asking, $250, and the house is worth, $240. Hey, the bank only gonna lend you $240, so we could renegotiate. If the seller wanna sell it, they're gonna lower the price. So checklist number 9 would be renegotiating if it is necessary. All right, guys, so this is the most important, more fun one. Number 10, close on your new home. The contract and financing contingency are satisfied, your loan approval is obtained, and document are sent to the closer officer. The closing process occurs when you sign up all the loans, purchase and document. The lender loans the funds, send the funds to the title company so they could get paid everybody. The deed is recorded. So hey, that's it. That's pretty much it. Once you do the number 10, you close on your new home, then you gotta move to your new home. You're gonna transfer, establish utility services, submit change of address, take possession of your new home, and enjoy it. These are the 10-step checklist that you gotta put. I'm gonna put the description below that PDF file, so if you want it, just grab it from there. And as soon as you start doing your as soon as you start in the process, you go checklist, by checklist. You go, side by side, and you put a checklist on it and go from there. If you guys need anything else, looking something over here in the South of Florida, double check my my website. You could, search like a realtor and check all the good properties that we got over there. Hey, this is Manny with United Real Estate Infinity over here in the Fort Myers, Florida area. If you guys need any help, I'm over here to help. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.
Grab your friends, find your